All right, so this is probably my favorite find of the day. So this is called Plickers.com, and this is a quick assessment tool for teachers that give quick and simple checks for student understanding on whatever it is that you're doing, and it gives us the data we need to inform our instruction. And I can see myself just going crazy with this. So this is super exciting, and if you've used this, then that's pretty awesome. And if you haven't, you got to check this out. So what it is using QR codes. And which is like really a fun way for students to um, give feedback. And so I've already been brainstorming a couple different ways that I would utilize this. And one is like, for instance, lunch options. Okay, like in the morning for my first hour, I have to ask my students what they want for lunch. So either hot, cold, salad, or no lunch, whatever. And so I could display this up on my board, and using their QR codes, they would just scan in their options, what they want. And their QR codes look like this. So I printed these off. You just download them and you print them. One thing I think I would do is maybe use my Cricut and cut these out on vinyl or something where I could put these QR codes like on a whiteboard or something, so that they don't get messed up. Or I would laminate my papers so that they don't get messed up. But this is pretty neat. So, just depending on what option they want to select is how they hold this code, and it quickly gives me feedback. And so I could use it for the lunch options. I could also use it for after I teach something. Maybe I put a sentence out there, and maybe we're talking about verb tenses. And so I throw this sentence up on the board, and then they have to quickly tell me which verb I would put on the line. Or maybe we're talking about adjectives, so I put this sentence on the board, and then they would pick out what are the two adjectives in this sentence, just basically going off of, again, these codes. You just move it a certain way to answer, and it will automatically give me feedback. Of course, there's an upgrade, but this program is free, and I was able to import all my classes from Google Classroom instantaneously. It was awesome. It was quick. It was easy. Of course, I haven't used it yet, so I don't have any reports or score sheets yet, but I think this is going to be pretty cool. So hopefully this was exciting and helpful for you.